let me proceed with the automated browser management for Firefox and Edge. I cannot show because the default browser is Edge. I don't want to uninstall this. Firefox I will be showing. So if you don't have a Windows machine and if you have some other operating system, you can try it with Edge. Generally, these two you can try. You can uninstall and install any number of times. But Edge, it's better not to uninstall in the Windows. So this needs admin privilege and maybe some issues can happen, right? So even if you want to try it, that's fine. Like if it is a Mac operating system, I think Edge you can definitely try because Safari browser is the default for Mac operating system. So you can play with Edge in the Mac. In the Windows, you can better play with these two for now. So Chrome already I showed. Chrome for testing we have seen multiple things. So now Firefox browser I will show. So let's talk about how the Firefox browser will be working. Automated browser management. So in this, we don't have too much complicated thing in Firefox browser. It's not like Chrome for testing is a different use case, and Firefox is a simple browser. And the first scenario is Firefox is already installed in the system. So for that, what I will do, I will be closing all these files. So for Firefox, it is very simple. So create a new class, say like Firefox browser. Some name I can give and select the main method. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver driver.get. So I will copy the website from another file. So copy this and let me paste it here. So save this file and do Control Shift O in the keyboard and it will do the all the imports. Now here I am launching the browser Firefox and I am loading the website. So if I go to the .cache folder one more time, you go to .cache Selenium, you don't see any Geeko driver. For Firefox, the driver is the Geeko driver, the exe file. So in case of Chrome, it is Chrome driver exe, but in case of Firefox, it is called as a Geeko driver. So the case one is Firefox is already installed in the system. In that case, you can cross check whether Firefox is already there or not. So this browser is already there and you can see uninstall option also. If I am clicking on open, you can see the Firefox browser is already available. This is already installed. Close it. And if I am writing a simple code saying like WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver and launching a website, so save this file and run as Java application. So whatever browser is already available in the system, that will be launched by default. So no additional thing will happen. Only thing, the Geeko driver exe file will be downloaded. This will help for the Selenium automation. So this Geeko driver will download, but the browser will not be downloaded because the browser is already available. That will be used for the Selenium automation testing. So this is the scenario one. It is very simple. So I just need to write this two lines of code. There is no complicated stuff here in case of Firefox. So create a reference variable and then use the get method to launch the browser. This is scenario one. Now let's go to scenario two. Firefox is not installed in the system. So since I already have uninstalled the Firefox. So if you already have, in order to test it, you need to uninstall the Firefox browser in the system. So I'll close this browser and go to the control panel again and I need to uninstall the Firefox browser. Go to control panel, programs and features, and you can see Mozilla Firefox. Click on uninstall and in the Windows authentication pop-up, SR no is coming. So you cannot see that on the screen share. You have to click on S here. So once you click on it, you can see that some message is coming. So I don't want to refresh it. I just want to uninstall. So click on next, and it is uninstalling. Click on uninstall. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. It will uninstall everything, and I just want to click on finish. So you can see the browser is gone, and if I'm searching in the start menu also, you don't see anything is there. So these browsers are not available. So I think this is some shortcut only. Just click on, like, there is a shortcut somewhere in the system. So if I search for Firefox again, it is going to the internet search only, but there is no browser in my machine now. So I want to test it with the second scenario where Firefox is not available in the system. So again the code is exactly same. There will not be any difference. If you go back to this dot cache folder, right? Dot cache Selenium. There is no Firefox folder available. By default, you see like Geeko driver is there, and Selenium Manager, Chrome driver, Chrome is there, but there is no Firefox special folder is not there. Run as Java application if I am doing right. No Firefox folder will get created. Like the browser will be auto downloaded. This is the automated browser management. So the browser will be downloaded by the Selenium, and it will launch in the system. So since it is downloading freshly, it will generally take some time. But if it is after first download, the next time it will be very fast. So you can see it is downloaded, and you can see the Academy website is loaded. So Firefox Win64 and 131.0.3. This is the version that is the latest version. So the code is exactly same. There is no difference. Even if browser is available or not available, for Firefox it is very simple. In case of Chrome for testing, it is slightly different, but Firefox is straightforward. If it is there, means the same browser is used for testing. Is used for Selenium automation. So if the browser is not available, it will download to dot cache folder and use for automation. Uninstall the existing Firefox browser to test this. So if there is an existing browser, you cannot test the scenario too. You should, it is definitely you need to uninstall first, as I demoed now. So if you uninstall only, the second scenario will work. But the code is exactly same. There is no difference in the code. So two cases I have showed, and even for Edge also it will work fine. But I don't want to uninstall the default browser which came with the operating system. This browser came along with the machine. So better we don't disturb that. If you want, you can try it out. For Mac operating system, maybe Edge we can try, because that is not a default browser. So the driver is management is automatically taken care, right? And the automated browser management I explained with Chrome and Firefox, the same is applicable for Edge also.